Hello guys. Welcome back. In this video I will show you the best wooden raised garden bed, with pros and cons. If you are looking for accurate and reliable information, then watch the full video. Purchase now to get a discount. So, let's start our review today. Check out product link the description box. The Yaheetech wooden raised garden bed with legs, 48 by 24 by 30 inches, is an elevated planter box designed for growing vegetables, flowers, and herbs in outdoor spaces such as backyards, patios, and balconies. Its raised structure and compact footprint make it suitable for gardeners who want an organized planting area without using in-ground soil. Product overview. This planter box measures 48 inches in length, 24 inches in width, and 30 inches in height, offering a spacious growing area while maintaining a comfortable working height. The elevated design reduces the need to bend or kneel, which is particularly beneficial for elderly users or anyone experiencing back strain during gardening tasks. Constructed from solid wood, the garden bed is built for outdoor durability. The natural wood finish gives it a rustic aesthetic that blends well with most outdoor environments. The structure typically includes reinforced side panels and stable legs to support the weight of soil, plants, and water. A slatted bottom design promotes proper drainage, helping prevent waterlogging and root rot. The planting depth is generally adequate for shallow to medium-rooted plants such as lettuce, spinach, strawberries, herbs, and decorative flowers. It can also accommodate some compact vegetable varieties. The elevated design improves airflow around the planter, which can help reduce pest issues compared to traditional ground beds. Assembly is usually straightforward, with pre-drilled holes and included hardware. Once assembled, the raised bed provides a contained gardening environment, helping users manage soil quality more efficiently. This makes it ideal for urban gardeners who may not have direct access to fertile ground soil. Benefit: comfortable working height. The 30-inch height minimizes bending and kneeling, reducing physical strain during planting, watering, and harvesting. Space-efficient design. Its 48x 24-inch footprint offers a generous planting area while fitting comfortably on patios, balconies, or compact backyards. Improved drainage. The slatted bottom supports effective water drainage, helping maintain healthy root systems. Overall, the Yaheetech elevated planter combines functionality, ergonomic design, and aesthetic appeal, making it a practical solution for small space gardening. That was today's review. I hope this review helped you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to comment and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews.